What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. And today we are making blueberry cobbler swim biscuits in the kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn the post notification on so you won't miss any other upload. And for all I'm returning goodie, when you don't know semi love now, when you're ready for cook, well, come on, let's cook. Alright, goodies, when you're ready for cook, come on, let's cook. Now we're going to make this recipe my way, of course, but still using traditional ingredients as so the recipe calls for. Now everything that I'm using for the recipe will be listed in the description box down below. You're going to need flour, of course, milk of your choice, sugar. I'm using fresh blueberries here, baking powder, of course. You're going to need some vanilla and salt for flavor. Okay, now to the recipe, you'll definitely need some butter. I did add 2 sticks of butter, as you will see later on in the recipe. Also, I did add a twist to it, so make sure that you're staying tuned for that. So let's dive right into the recipe. All right, goodies, so we have everything that we need here. We want to go ahead and start adding the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add the salt. All right, so we're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. All right, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Don't add baking soda, okay? Baking powder. So we're gonna level this off. I got the wrong one, may I use? Wrong one. This is the big one. All right, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And I'm definitely going to swift it. I'm not going to swift it because we don't want, we don't want the lumps with the baking powder. So you're going to make sure that you swift that. Swift it, yeah. So, I'm going to do one of them here. And then just swift that in. 2 full tablespoons of that. See how them lumps there? If we never did do that, I would have put lumps in the something. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and do that. Perfect. Alright, so up next we're going to put in the sugar. Alright, this is 1 cup. But because I'm extra and I want a little bit more sweetener, I'm going to add just a tad bit more sugar, okay? I don't have to do like for me, I do. But okay, we're gonna put some more sugar in there. Alright, so after I've done that, the baking powder, the salt, and all of that, we're just gonna spin this in. The baking powder and the salt. Let's mix all of that in first. Now, goodie, another thing, while I'm doing this, my oven is already turned on, okay? My oven is on 425 degrees, and this is going to take, I'll say maybe about 25 minutes to bake. All right, so we have 2 cups of blueberries here. I have some frozen one, and I have some fresh blueberry. So I'm gonna pour that in. Pour that in to the mixture. Then I have 3 cups of 2 different kind of milk here. I have heavy whipping and I have almond milk. That's what I'm choosing to use in mine because girl belly not good. Girl belly not good, okay? Don't mind my cup because I cook a lot. Alright, so that looks good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add the vanilla. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of this bad boy. Maybe more. Okay. Just follow the ingredients down below. Follow me right down below. Alright, so let's put these aside because we're done with that. And again, like I said, my oven is already going. Okay, my oven is getting hot right now. It needs to get up to 425 degrees. And it does take a whopping 25 minutes to bake, you know? Alright, now another thing that I like to add to mine, and this is totally optional, okay? You don't have to do this. Totally optional, goodie. But for me, I love to add a little bit of whole grain in mine, right? Now, this whole grain, I bought this one in Aldi supermarket. You could buy yours anywhere. This one has raisins in it. It has almond in it. And it has honey. Oats, of course, okay? I love to add it in mine because it does something. Now, once again, y'all don't have to do this. But for me, I am. Alright, I'm not going to measure anything. Okay, that's it. You don't have to do that, y'all, but trust me when I tell you that crunch, okay, it does something. It does something, okay? Alright, so we're going to go ahead and set this bad boy aside. Set this bad boy aside, okay? That looks absolutely beautiful. It's really good. That's how you want it to be. Not too runny, not too thick. Alright, but this is absolutely perfect. Alright, y'all. So now that that is complete, I have a baking tray here. You can use whatever you like in your kitchen. Have 2 sticks of butter. These butter are unsalted butter, but of course you could use whatever butter that you like. But we're going to get these melted and we'll come right back here. Alright, kitty, so we have our 2 sticks of butter that is nicely melted, and we also have our oven that is already preheated, set at 425 degrees, and this is going to bake for 25 minutes, okay? So we pour in everything in here. Let's pour all of that good in here. All of it. We're not leave out nothing, okay? I'm gonna pour all of this baby in here. And it smells so good. Alright, let's kind of do some things here. Alrighty. Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to give it a slice all the way down. Okay. Perfect, y'all. Perfect. Alright, so I'm trying to get 9 out of this baby. Alright. That's good. Alright. So good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. And when I come back, this is going to be ready. It's going to be finger looking good. And my house is going to smell amazing. Okay, my darlings, we are all done. OMG. This thing is super amazing. If it ain't got that bubble, honey baby, you definitely did something wrong. It has to have that bubble, all right? Look at that. OMG. OMG, that looks so good. For me, I'm just going to get that sweetened condensed milk because why? That's what I want on mine. You could add powdered sugar on yours, but baby, this is what the doctors order, okay? Let's get that sweetened condensed milk on top. Perfect. Now, honey, this right here is the moment of truth. OMG. This is the moment of truth. It ain't gonna get no better than this, okay? Baby, it is not going to get any better than this. This is the moment of truth. I'm making sure that I take the one from the middle. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, look at what we got here. Look at this goodness. OMG, look at that. Oh my goodness. This thing is so good. Just the truth. I could taste the granola in there. It takes it to a different kind of level. Trust me. Try it with it in there. So good. Absolutely divine. Okay? Now, that's the end of this video. We're gonna finish this up. But if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring them come goodie and send them come cause why me I wait. I want to get done doing all of that. Tell me, what do you want to see me up next on my kitchen? And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy. Later.